Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps to buy Bitcoin, BTC using the MEXC mobile application. Whether you are new to crypto or just new to MEXC, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First, open your MEXC app. If you have not signed up yet, you will need to create an account and complete the KYC verification process. This ensures your account's security and unlocks full trading features. To purchase BTC, you will need to deposit funds into your MEXC account. You can do this by transferring USDT, USDC, or other supported cryptocurrencies from another wallet or exchange. Alternatively, MEXC offers P2P trading, allowing you to buy USDT directly from other users using local payment methods. Once your account is funded, tap on the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the spot trading section. Now tap on the trading pair area. And in the search bar at the top, type in BTC and select the BTC USDT trading pair. This pair allows you to buy Bitcoin using USDT. Now you'll see the trading interface. Here you can choose between a limit order or a market order. If you choose limit order, it means to set the price at which you want to buy BTC. The order will execute when the market reaches your specified price. If you choose market order, it means you buy BTC instantly at the current market price. Here enter the quantity of BTC you wish to purchase or the amount of USDT you want to spend. Once done, tap on the buy BTC. After placing your order, you will receive a confirmation. If you used a market order, your BTC will appear in your spot wallet immediately. For limit orders, the purchase will complete once the market reaches your set price. And that's it. You will now be able to purchase Bitcoin on the MEXC mobile application. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below with any queries or topics you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.